rainy city of Geneva today, you can...
We are at a critical juncture in this pandemic, particularly in the Northern Hemisphere. The next few months are going to be very tough, and some countries are on a dangerous track. Too many countries are seeing an exponential increase in cases, and that's now leading to hospitals and ICU running close or above capacity, and we're still only in October. We urge leaders to take immediate action to prevent further unnecessary deaths, essential health services from collapsing, and schools shutting again. As I said it in February, and I'm repeating it today, this is not a drill.
If I may, some other
this virus and the circulation of this virus is not even all over the world. And I think that's really, really important because many countries are in a very dangerous situation, but many other countries are actually in a very good position. They've brought transmission down to a very low level. They're opening up their societies. But the message that we have, and we cannot say this stronger, is to keep it up. And in fact, I would say even scale up. But in many parts of the world, individuals need to leave their home to be able to buy food, to be able to go to work, to ensure that they receive a salary so that heat can be in their home and that they could feed their children. And so there are a number of reasons why individuals may not be able to comply. And I think in those situations, it's really important that communities and governments and religious leaders and other leaders figure out how we can support individuals.